There will come a day when you realize this simple truth: your failures were never the end, they were the beginning. Most people don't reach that realization until it's too late. But for you, it starts right now. You've fallen before. You've been disappointed before. You've tried, and you've failed more times than you want to admit. People think failure means you're not good enough. But the truth is, failure is just a message. A message that says something needs to change. You need to grow. You're on the right path, but not yet the right level. You feel stuck because somewhere along the way, you believe the lie that failure means stop. But listen carefully, failure means try again, but smarter, stronger, and louder than before. This is not your ending. This is your turning point. There was someone once who looked just like you, tired, frustrated, full of potential but scared to try again. They failed their first business. They dropped out of school. They heard no more times than they heard praise. People laughed at their dreams. Even friends said, maybe this isn't for you. But one night, sitting alone with nothing but regret, they made a decision. Not to be perfect, not to instantly succeed, but to stand back up. They changed one habit, then another, and slowly, failure transformed into fuel. Their story changed, not because life got easier, but because they stopped accepting defeat as the final chapter. That same moment, that shift, is the moment you're in right now. Failure is feedback, not final. Here's the truth. You don't fail when you fall. You fail when you refuse to get back up. Ask yourself, what is this moment trying to teach me? Every fall is a clue. Every setback is an instruction. Every mistake is an upgrade. Failure isn't a wall, it's a mirror. Small steps beat big dreams. You don't climb a mountain in one jump. You climb it one step at a time. Tiny actions feel small until they become unstoppable. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Improve 1%. Make one better choice today than yesterday. These small victories become momentum, and momentum becomes transformation. Your identity creates your future. Stop saying, I'm not good enough. I always fail. This happens to me. Your words shape your world. Tell yourself, I get better every time. I'm still learning. I rise. Because you don't get the life you wish for. You get the life you believe you can become. Pain is uncomfortable, yes. But pain is also honest. It shows you where you need to grow. The gym burns, but you get stronger. Studying hurts your brain, but you get smarter. Trying again stings, but you get braver. Strength doesn't come from winning. Strength comes from surviving what was meant to break. Your future self is watching. Imagine the version of you 5 years from now, stronger, wiser, more confident, more successful. They're looking back at this moment, this exact moment, and they're whispering, get up. You're so close. Don't quit. One day, you will look back at this moment and realize it was the moment everything changed. Not because someone rescued you, not because things magically improved, but because you chose yourself. You chose to rise, you chose to fight, you chose to grow, you chose to keep going, even when you were tired, even when you were uncertain, even when the world told you no. This is your rebirth. This is your comeback. This is your rise. You already have the strength. You already have the heart. You already have the potential. Not because you're perfect, but because you're capable. And capable beats perfect every single time. The life you want isn't far away. It's on the other side of the next choice you make. Start with one thing today. One action. One courageous step. It might feel small. It might feel insignificant. But one day, you'll look back and realize that tiny step was the beginning of everything. You are stronger than you think. You are braver than you believe. And you are not done. Rise. Your comeback starts now.